Hey guys, you ever wondered how a contractor fits a countertop perfectly onto cabinets in any spaces? Well, today I'm going to show you how. If you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and we'll be posting videos weekly about construction and all of our little ins and outs and our tricks of the trade. So we got one side in already, cut to size, and now I'm putting the second side piece in. You want to make sure it's nice and tight in there. Over here we're going to go flush. We're not looking to have an overhang. So there's our mark. Alright, more or less with no overhang. We're going to chop it, put it in place, and then we're going to do the same thing all the way around. And then we're going to staple it. So we have all the pieces cut into place, and next is to staple them in place so that when we move them to the shop, they're not going to fall apart. But very simple. Now that we have the pieces in place, how we want them, I cut a couple of 2-3 inch pieces of the 1x2, and I'm just going to staple together in place. So first, second, simple as that. We're using a finishing nailer, rigid, 1-inch nails, so it doesn't go right into the cabinet. And we'll do that all the way around on every single piece that connects to another one. Okay, so now that we have all of our ends stapled together, right? You want to have these stabilizer pieces, as I call them, just so that, because right now this is not too stable, it's kind of flimsy. So you just push to where you want the template to go, put a little cross piece, staple them, and now this will not, move around, so that you have that perfect shape that you want. And we're going to do that all the way around as well. Template's done. We wrote top over here so the manufacturer knows which way the countertop has to be cut. Also, just to be safe, you always want to send a photo of what the template looks like on top of the cabinets. And now comes the fun part. We just lift it up like so. And there's our countertop. And we're going to take it over to those guys and they'll cut it for us. If you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and we'll be posting videos weekly about construction and all of our little ins and outs and our tricks of the trade.